on the Chieftain. So let's talk about the Triumph T120. Now, back in the late 70s, when I was just a callow youth, a mere 19 or 20 years old, I had a 750 Triumph Bonneville. And I bought it second-hand or used, whatever you want to call it. I swapped a Honda 554 for it. For some reason I wanted something different, something honourable, and the Japanese bike at the time was not very honourable. I should have kept the Japanese bike, believe me. That bike gave me nothing but trouble. And owning a British bike where the company was going out of business on continental Europe in the late 70s, early 80s, was not one of my best life choices. Getting parts was almost impossible, so I had to make do mostly and repair stuff. Although I did find a shop workshop in the local area, or local-ish area, where I could get parts. It just took a while. I used to buy head gaskets and barrel gaskets and O-rings and things, because I was continually taking off the heads and barrels, because it was continually breaking. Could not keep an oil seal on the head or the barrels. Well, that was the old type. This is a Hinckley Triumph. Well, I've got just over 2,000 miles on this, and this is a wonderful motorcycle. I love the electronics on it. We have rain mode, we have road mode. It has around 80 horsepower. There's plenty of get up and go, plenty of straight line acceleration. It's got plenty of torque. The torque for guitar, I think it's around 60 foot-pounds of torque, I think. Sue me if I'm wrong, I'll look it up. It leans the heavy old beast for a bike of this size, over 500 pounds. Takes the mustang through corners, but that's all part of the fun. I have this little nose fairing on it, which keeps the wind off my chest, so it's comfortable at highway speeds. I have a Madstead full windscreen, which will be going on once the weather gets cooler. I changed the Vulcan clutch levers to adjustable ones, adjustable in lever length and pull, mostly because my darling wife, biker girl, dropped it, bent one side and broke the other, so they needed changing anyway. What else have I done? Oh yes, I put a luggage rack on the back and pannier racks, and I have 22 litre bags on it, or panniers, whatever you want to call them, from a very reputable make. They are very good. They are. I can take everything I need to when I go away for a day. Now, if I go to work, I can put everything I need in there for a day at work. And as everybody should know by now, I am a Motorcycle Safety Foundation rider coach. So I teach young people. I teach all people who've never ridden before. I take them never riding to get their license over the space of a 2-day or a 3-day weekend. And I just bought the Drift Ghost X camera, which is attached to my helmet, and now I can talk to my camera. The other cameras I have are 3 Session 5 GoPros. You can see one out in front on that long beam. But I've always got a camera on. I use the camera to talk to, but I also use the camera in case something goes wrong, and I can show the authorities what happened. because you know how people drive. So the temperature's dropped a bit. We're in the high 70s. I could have worn my Revit air jacket. I might have been a little cool, but now I'm wearing a Morgan riding shirt with a full suite of armour in it. So where you fucking go? Right, he's going that way. And I'm going to be working this weekend. I'm going to be doing the 2-day MSF course at Tidewater Community College in Hampton, Virginia. I'm going to be doing the range portion only. I'm not sure who I'll be working with. One of the other range coaches, rider coaches. I might drop in tonight to the 3-day course. I need to speak to someone. I want to say hello to someone who failed our class a few weeks ago. She couldn't deal with the clutch and throttle, and she was only coming to get the motorcycle endorsement and license because she wants to ride a 125cc scooter, which is automatic, and she's going to bring that scooter with her for the MSF course tomorrow morning, because I will also be driving by to see how that goes. Hiccups. Isn't it beautiful here? Even when it's grey and overcast, it is still very beautiful here. So that's the end of this video. I'm still testing out the drip camera and the microphone, and how to record and where the best place is to put the microphone. So we'll see how it all works out in the future.